Fit my 2006 Chevy Silverado SS bed. Same as the 9907, and it also is the same shock on my 98 Chevy S10 bed. Same as 9202, both my covers are made by R. And these shocks may fit more, but I am just basing these of the model years on the trucks I have. Perfect fit. Been working very well since installed. Easy to install on my Tonneau cover. Great price. Rapid factory response to my questions. I had to return these because they did not fit my application, but it was my fault because I ordered the wrong size. They were very good construction and seemed to be quality parts. Arrived very quickly. They were a direct fit for my purpose of installing new lift struts on my RV king-size bed lift. Did the job. I was able to do the replacement myself. Worked perfectly once you get the correct length. My suggestion to anyone who replaces their old ones is to get the exact length. If not, you will have major problems. However, I learned after 3 orders that this was the one I needed. Good, very strong. I have a 2012 Silverado with a Lear cover. Easy install, but cover will slightly drop. Might need a heavier duty strut. Click link in description for more reviews.